You see this white stuff? Yeah, this white stuff right through here. Yeah, it got cold again. It got about 9 degrees last night on the coast of Maine here. And it decided to dump 7 inches of snow everywhere. The snow even collapsed my woodshed roof. Granted, it's just tarps, but it's very frustrating. There's snow, there's ice, there's slipperiness. Let's see what the birds want to do in this stuff. We got some silkies out and some other type birds over there, some barnyard mix. But let's see what they do. They're a little hesitant. That little one wasn't, though. Come on, door, stay open. There you go, Frito. Now the flow is starting. No, it stopped. Come on, Potter, get out here. Come on, Fancy. Oh, chicken. She turned chicken on me, that red hen. There you go, runner. There you go, Potter. Hey, White Leghorn. Vanilla, come on. Vanella's the big white duck right there. Hey, Sandy, the little blue duck, blue chicken right there. Sorry. There's Blackjack, our big black rooster. Hey, blue lady. Come on, girls and boys. Time's a wasting. There you go, Black. There you go, White Rooster. Come on. Get out. Come on. Let's let them out on the other side. Maybe they'll be more comfortable on that other side coming out. It's a cold one. I'm sorry if the wind is bothering the microphone. Come on, boys and girls. I'm gonna go let the geese out right now so they can come out and get some food before the others steal it. It's very slick up here. You spilt your feeder again. Don't blame me for dirty grain. Come on, boys and girls. They're not shy. Come on, turkeys. Come on, turkeys. Come on. Look at these chickens. The chicken. Come on, girls. Rhoda, hey, sweetie. What's up, Rode? We have 2 roosters named Rode and Runner. Let's see if they gave us any eggs. No, the eggs that are in there are wooden ones. So they nail those instead of breaking our good eggs that they just laid. Little goose. Get out of there. Get out of there, little goose. getting low on feed. This barrel is full. This early last weekend. Gotta get some more, I guess. I got some more in the rabbit barn for these chickens, but it won't last for a few days. Hey, Peanut! Hey, Poppy Jr. Well, I'm signing off for now. I got a video coming up tonight that I'm gonna work on for what we use for our chicks to brood in. Brooding is the process of letting the chicks stay in a warm environment until they get old enough to go outside into the chicken barns. These chicks that we got now are going up for sale. We got them pretty much sold already, but we're gonna keep a few for ourselves. Hopefully this white stuff goes before spring, first day of spring, but I doubt that's gonna happen. I think we usually have snow well into the end of March and into April. That's Potter, a big male duck, one of them. I know I've shown him already. There's Frito, one of our males. Well, I know I said I was signing off, but I'm gonna sign off now. Hope everybody has a great day and stay warm.